I brought my swimming trunks and oh gosh, and got myself all wet. I was wearing boxers, so dude, look at Pyro's shoes. Gosh, damn it! You slipped into the mud. Dang. Where is it? Is it up here? No, I think it's up here. Yeah, it's up here. Holy crap! Yeah. Yeah, what are we doing? We went up. No, we went down. So now we have to go up. Oh my gosh.
Hey, what's up, man?
The sky. Oh gosh.
Look, this ain't shit.
I think that looks like a better way out that way.
I'm used to doing this in like 160 degrees, 200 degrees. Oh, well, I can't
The heck? What the fudge? Oh. These people are weird. 160, 200 degrees is not impossible. What the fuck? You die. Oh my gosh. What the crap is this? My feet were refreshed by that cold water instead of that lake or river. I don't know what that was. Holy fuck! I'm gonna. Oh fuck. Excuse us. Holy fuck. What the fudge?
How are you guys doing?
Alright. You guys are gonna die. Yeah. Yeah. Hey. Hey, look at a nice view. We're almost there. Hi. Hi. What the heck? There's apis. Nice. Alright, we made it. We made it. We made it. We made it. Alright.
You like a bird?